So this is IM2. This is lesson 4-3, and we're going to talk about perpendicular bisectors in a triangle. So if you'll remember, you can build a triangle. You can follow these instructions right here, but you can build a triangle by clicking 3 points, and at the end, go ahead and just click on the third one twice. All right. So I am going to label the length of these. Well, that was pretty good. And so that I can keep track of them. I'm going to turn the length into something close to a whole number. So in this case, I made an isosceles triangle, but I don't want an isosceles triangle, so I'm going to shrink down. I'm going to try to shrink down 1 to 5 and maybe 1 to 6. So I'm pretty close to 5 on the bottom one, and I'm pretty close to 6 on the other one. All right, so you can sit here and play with it forever. We're going to call that good for the moment. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the midpoints of each of these. And you do this by selecting the line segment section and then click on the corner and then click somewhere in the middle. I'll give you a hint. It's pretty close to wherever the number is. All right, and then click on that. And let's turn it a different color so we can keep track of it, and then let's label it. So 2.5, I can slide it back just a little ways so that it's pretty close to 2. That's close enough. Same thing on here. We'll just label this. It'll be somewhere close to 3. And then on this one, we'll do the same thing. It should be somewhere close to 2.5. All right, and I'm going to label these two as well. I'll turn them red so you can keep track of where they are. I'll slide it back so it's a little closer to 3. Oh, I got it right at 3. Same here. Label it. Measurement. Oh, that's 2. That's not even close. Let's slide it quite a ways up to 2.5. All right, so then what we're going to do is we're going to make a perpendicular line stat. So let's select the line, and then when you click on More Tools, you can click Perpendicular Line. So click on the side of the triangle. So that was the blue side, and then click to the dot. Same thing here. Click to the side of the triangle and click to the dot. Click to the side of the triangle and click to the dot. And you'll notice what they do is they all meet in one spot. And you can actually label that point if you want. And I'll label that point black. So here's the cool thing that we can do with this. So this spot right here, where all of the perpendicular bisectors meet, is called the point of concurrency, right? And what you can do is you can make a circle. Select your circle option. You can make a circle, and when you extend it out to the side, what you see is that it hits every single dot. So the perpendicular bisectors intersect at the very center of a circle that will completely encase the triangle. So 2 terminologies for you is the circle is circumscribed about the triangle. And you can say that this is the circumcenter of the triangle. It's the place where the center of this circle. The other thing that's worth noting is if you took a line and you went from there to that circumcenter, if you did that on every single one, these would all be equal. And I'm going to show you that really quickly. I'm going to go ahead and label it. I'm going to label all 3 of these lines right here, and I'll label them in orange. Oh, that didn't work. And that's 3. That should also be the same length. And this one should also be the same length within a reasonable amount of our mouse clicking skills. Those are all 3 the same length.